How to use Afterpay at Walmart. Let's get started. Walmart does not directly accept Afterpay as a payment method. However, you can still use Afterpay at Walmart indirectly by purchasing a gift card or leveraging other options. Here's how. Buy a Walmart gift card with Afterpay. Visit websites that sell gift cards and accept Afterpay, Raise, Breeze, or other similar platforms. Purchase a Walmart gift card through these platforms using Afterpay. Use the gift card for your in-store or online Walmart purchases. If Afterpay provides you with a virtual card, you can link it to your mobile wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Use the mobile wallet at Walmart provided Walmart accepts that payment method. Some third-party apps or services that partner with Afterpay may sell Walmart goods. Check the Afterpay app or the website to see if there are Walmart items available through an intermediary. So this is how you can use Afterpay for Walmart purchase. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.